Good morning, my dear children. This is Jagannath Raju, your English faculty. Today we discuss a beautiful lesson, a service of love. It is written by O. Henry. Actually, O. Henry is the pen name. O. Henry's original name is William Sidney Potter. He wrote 381 short stories. The story, A Service of Love, is written in 1906, and it is a friction. It is purely friction genre. It is a friction. It is written in 1906. Actually, this story, A Service of Love, is based on sacrifice. It is a purely love story. Love can be defined in many ways. There are also many ways to prove that this love is true. In this story, true love can be determined by sacrifice, could be destiny, change, and honesty. So, in there, two characters, there are two main characters. One main character is Joe, another main character is Delia. The two characters, Joe and Delia, sacrificed their own interests for the benefit of each other unknowingly. That is the main concept of the A Service of Love. It is written by O.N.D. So actually the story begins in the premise. Premise means a statement or a sentence taken to be true, to be true. So actually the story begins when one loves one's heart, no service seems to hurt. The story starts with the premise. Premise means generally everyone believed that the statement taken to be true. Okay, so and as an introduction to the short story, A Service of Love, OND declares that he will take the premise. Premise means already I told you the statement taken to be true. When one loves one's heart, no service seems to heart. And draw a conclusion from this premise while at the same time proving it wrong. Actually, an aspiring artist, Joe Lara Bean from the Midwest, actually came from Midwest, came from the Midwest, and Delia Crouches, a young talented musician, she came from California. Musician meet in New York. Both are meet in New York. Where they meet in Atelier. Atelier means studio. Atelier means studio. So Joe and Delia, young musician, meet in New York in Atelier, where a number of youthful artists have met to discuss composers and painters. Actually, Joe is a painter. Joe is a painter. Delia is a musician, especially pianist. Actually, both are uh, came to New York to learn new skills in their fields, and they wanted to prove themselves to the world. That's why they came to the New York, and they met in a studio, and in the first at the site, love at first sight. So both are their attitudes or their feelings, their thoughts are same. That's why they fell in love at the love at first sight. So they are attracted to each other. Shortly thereafter, they marry. So as soon as they fell in love, they are going to be married. They married. So living in a lonesome flat does not matter to Joe and Delia. Does not matter to Joe and Delia, for they are happy and in love. They had their art and they had each other. So actually, whenever they in love, they do not see what happened around the society, because they have a special plat, lonesome plat. They spend their life very happily in the plat. Both are young people. They are in love, and they had their art also. So Joe has a art. Joe has a artist. Joe has a painter. As a Joe has learned painting, and Delia has a learned musician, pianist, and remaining time they spend their lonesome plat. They shared their field characteristics, and they shared their opinions about the composers and painters. In this way, they spent their life very happily. So while they jewel in this plot, Joe takes art lessons from the great magister. So Joe learned lessons from the magister, a great painter in America, and Delia trains under the great musician Rosenstock. So Delia training from the Rosenstock. Rosenstock is a famous composer in America, especially in Hollywood. In Hollywood, so Delia is learning piano and composing from Rosenstock is a famous composer in New York, especially in Hollywood. But after a while, art flagged, and the Lara Bees are too poor to pay for their respective art lessons. Actually, there are no earnings. There are no earnings. Everything is running out from the house. The money also, everything. So they became poor. They became poor. They cannot pay the fees to Magister or Rosenstock because both are coming from the poor families. Actually, they are coming to New York to learn their fields, their arts. Joe coming, Joe came to London. Sorry, Joe came to New York to learn painting under the magister, and Delia is learning piano or music lessons or composing lessons under the Rosenstock. But they fell in love, they married, and they started new life in the apartment or a flat. So there is no earnings. So then they can't pay the fees. Then so Delia decided to teach piano. So then Delia decided to earn money by learn piano. So Delia told Joe that she wanted to uh, teach people. She wanted to teach people's piano. Actually, she is a good pianist. She is a good pianist. That's why she searched for the students. She searched for the disciples. Then at last she got one student. After a couple of days, Delia returns home excitedly telling her husband that she has found a piano, piano peoples, piano peoples. So the fraud Joe tells his wife that he cannot let his wife hustle for wages while the he philanders in the high heart. So actually, generally, the male or the man has a fraud is a common phenomenon. Is a common phenomenon. So as soon as Delia earning money, Delia earning money, so the earning money touched Joe's proudness. Joe's proudness. Then Joe replied, he also started, he also started selling his sketches. Selling his sketches, and Joe also ready to earn money. Ready to earn money. Then he offers to find a job. Delia remonstrates, telling Joe that he must continue his art. After all, he says, in teaching piano, she is yet learning. When one loves one's art, no service seems too hard, said Delia. So Delia said that. Delia said that. Delia insisted on Joe learning painting, learning painting, and don't go to the job. Actually, Delia sacrificed her lessons for Joe, for Joe. But Joe rejected the proposal. Joe also earning money by by selling his paintings, by selling his paintings. So both Delia and Joe bring home money. So both Joe and Delia, both Delia and Joe bring home money. Here's Delia says he is from General Pinky, and his Joe declares he is from a man from Peoria, Illinois. So Delia's student's name is mm, Pinky. Sorry, Pink, Pinkney, Pinkney. And so Joe's painting is selling to Peoria, coming from Illinois, coming from Illinois. So, however, one evening Delia returns home with a wrapped hand that has been burned. So, one evening Delia came to home. Delia, one evening Delia returns home with wrapped, a wrapped hand that that has been burned, that has been burned. So, as she explains that what happened to her, Joe became suspicious and asked her what she has really been doing. So, Joe asked, Joe suspected, Joe suspected, Joe suspected Delia. Joe suspected Delia. Actually, Delia said that her student Pinky, her student Pinky poured hot water on the hand of the Delia. But Joe did not believe in Delia, and Joe suspected Delia. And Joe asked, what happened? What happened to her? Then, Do, then Delia confesses. Then confess, CNOFESS, yes, confesses to having been working in a laundry shop. Actually, Delia has no any students. She is working in a laundry shop. She is working in a laundry shop. Then Joe confesses that he has not sold any paintings. Then Joe also confessed that he did not work anywhere. Actually, did not selling his any paintings. Actually, he works in a engine room. He works in a engine room, engine room for the same laundry, for same this laundry shop, for same this laundry shop. So, and he was the one who sent up the cotton and oil for a girl who had her hand burned. Actually, on that day, on that day, Joe sent cotton and oil, cotton and oil to, sorry, and he was the one who sent up the cotton and oil for a girl, for a girl means here Delia actually did not know Delia, for a girl who had her hand burned. So the loving couple laughs and Joe begins when one loves one sort no service seems, but Delia counters now just one loves. Indeed, it is no longer that art that Joe and Delia love enough to work. It is the other for whom they work. The original premise is incorrect. Actually, here Joe and Delia worked for each other. Joe and Delia sacrificed their lessons for each other. Actually, Delia, Joe and Delia, Joe and Delia both are working in the same laundry shop, but they did not know. They did not know each other. Actually, Joe worked in the engine room under the underground, and Delia worked as a laundry woman in the first floor. So their timings are different. That's why they did not know each other. They are working in the same firm, same firm. So it is a beautiful lesson. They are sacrificed their attitudes, they sacrificed their life ambitions for each other. So that's why this is a beautiful love story. And that's why he said that Joe and Delia sacrificed their own interest for the benefit of each other unknowingly. So love can be defined in many ways. There are also many ways to be prove that this love is true. In this story, true love can be determined by sacrifice. Okay, thank you one and all.